Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're just going to be seeing some analysis for May 24th. On Friday we had a pretty good up move after this trend line breakout as mentioned in the previous video. Hope the trading was good. So now coming to Monday, what I have opened here is the daily chart of Banknifty. As you can see, this trend line which I've drawn in green is broken out significantly. Okay, most probably this cannot be a false breakout now. It should be a genuine breakout, which we don't know yet. We'll get a confirmation on Monday. Let's just see the levels for Monday and the possible trade. Let me shift down to a 15-minute time frame and just zoom out. See, after breaking out of this green trend line, the next possible resistance that we are getting on the upside is here at about 35,000, and the next one is about 35,450, and on the downside is this about 34,100, and the other one is this, which is about 34,280. So these are the levels that I have for Monday. I'll trade within these levels. Obviously we're not going to go 1,000 points up on one day, but we'll never know. On Friday we moved 1,300 points up, right? So we just got to be ready with the levels. Now coming to the trade part of it, see, as per XGX Nifty close on Friday, we are looking at a gap down, but we're not sure how XGX Nifty will open up on Monday. There can be a gap up as well because of the strong move. If SGX Nifty opens strong, if there's a gap up, there are a couple of possibilities in the gap up. We could gap up right here or gap up even 900-800 points right here. If we have a very huge gap up, then sorry, there would be no big trades for Monday. If there's a huge gap up, most likely it will be sideways after that, like it happened on this day. On May 17th we had a huge move, then we had a huge gap up, and how it remained sideways in this area that I'm circling. So we could have something like that. It could go in sideways. That is in case we get a huge gap up. And the other possibility is we get a huge gap up somewhere or here, and there can be some selling. So based on the price action, if we get any kind of rejection from these areas, we would definitely short, because there would be some profit booking. Those who have gone long here and a gap up of 500, they'll be in huge profit. So there can be some profit booking and a sell off. So depending on the price action from this area, we'll short. But any gap up over here, somewhere in between, yeah, no long or no short. We'll be avoiding that trading. And the other possibility, which is most likely to happen, is a gap down based on SGX Nifty close on Friday. So if we get a gap down to these levels where I'm marking in the red right now, and a rejection candle on the upside, definitely will go long with these as the target, first target, second target, and if day progresses on the upside, probably even 35,500. So if we get a gap down, yeah, definitely we'll look to buy based on the price action. And in case we go down, I don't see we will go further these areas, most probably. What I marked here, 34,100, 34,200. At the max, if we slip, we might slip until 33,900. Anything below that, yeah, it would be a little risky on the downside. So this is a trade plan for tomorrow. If there's a small gap down, definitely we'll buy. A huge gap down, we will not trade. If there's a huge gap up and a price action which is going to show us that there is a selling pressure, yeah, we would definitely short. And in case it remains sideways throughout the day, then no trade after a huge gap up. So this is a trade plan for Monday, and these are the levels that I've marked and kept. So we will be trading within these levels. That's it for Monday's trade. So please stay tuned for this channel, and please do like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.